Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Adam Inca. Today we've got a treat for you. We're diving into the world of workspace organisation, and we'll show you how to transform your workspace into an area of productivity and comfort. So stay tuned as we simulate the transformation using AI, giving you a visual guide on creating the perfect workspace. So first things first, understanding why a well-organised workspace is crucial. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality, efficiency, and creating a space that fosters productivity. A clutter-free space can do wonders for your focus and motivation. Start by assessing your current workspace. Look around. What works? What doesn't? Identify the areas that need improvement and the items that are essential to your work. The first step in our transformation is decluttering. Remove any unnecessary items from your desk and surrounding area. Old paperwork, unnecessary stationery, and random objects that don't serve a purpose need to go. Keep only what is necessary. Next, let's focus on organising your essentials. Use drawer organisers for your stationery. Invest in cable management solutions to keep your chargers and cables tidy. Consider using vertical space for storage, like shelves or wall organisers. Pay attention to ergonomics. Ensure that your chair and desk height are comfortable and your computer screen is at eye level. Good posture is key to preventing aches and pains. Now for the fun part. Add personal touches to your workspace. This could be plants, photos, or artwork. Anything that makes the space feel more you and boosts your mood. Now the final step is maintaining your newly organised space. Dedicate a few minutes at the end of each day to tidy up. This will ensure that you start each day with a clear, organised workspace. And there we have it, folks. A complete transformation of your workspace to boost productivity and create a pleasant working environment. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Adam Inca for more content like this. Share your workspace transformation in the comments below. We'd love to see it.